Thank you, Peter. As you have seen so far, with Zscaler CSPM, you can make sure your cloud is not misconfigured and how it can detect and automate remediation of misconfigurations in public cloud and SaaS. With secure workload protection, we use an identity-based microsegmentation approach to simplify app-to-app communication. Now, let's look at how you would use these technologies with Zscaler Cloud Connector, which integrates with Zscaler Internet Access and Zscaler Private Access platforms to protect your apps against cyber threats and securely interconnect your applications. For your applications, cloud is the new data center. So network and security teams must deal with distributed and complex application architecture and have to securely connect these workloads as you move your applications to the cloud and also connect them with servers, data sources, OT farms, and networks within your data centers. Traditionally, companies have built site-to-site dedicated connectivity with VPNs, which is costly and insecure as it just connects to networks. Customers have no choice other than use multiple disjointed point products to address this challenge. For example, to securely enable internet access for workloads in your public cloud, you would need to deploy transit gateways, transit hub, source NATing, firewall, IPS, etc. On top of it, they would need to design and orchestrate these point products as a service to deliver scale, availability, and performance, which adds more burden to security and DevOps teams. This is not only very expensive, but a nightmare to manage and operate these point products, which slows down the digital transformation of organizations from months to years. The very reason and purpose why customers move to the cloud in the first place is scale, agility, and better security, which is defeated with this approach. Let's look at a good analogy to understand the complexity here. Imagine you're going from your home to the shopping mall. You leave your home and then take a bus, which is the transit gateway. You get on a train, which is a transit hub, and train makes multiple stops, which are multiple VMs of the point products in the data path. Then you walk to the mall, which is unoptimized data path, and then you finally arrive at the mall. To solve this problem, we are introducing Zscaler Cloud Connector, a lightweight yet powerful network function to steer traffic from your public cloud or physical data center hosted servers in a seamless way from edge of your network to Zscaler's SASE platform and onto the destination service. Looking at the same analogy where you were going to the shopping mall, with Cloud Connector, you leave home and you avail a ride-sharing service such as Uber or Lyft, and you get on the expressway with Cloud Connector, and then you arrive at the mall. So how does that really work? Cloud Connector first would deliver zero-touch deployment for your cloud workloads. We deploy a lightweight virtual machine in your public cloud, such as AWS VPC, and point the default route in your VPC to the Cloud Connector. Using automation frameworks like Terraform, it not only automatically registers and connects to Zscaler Cloud, but also allows you to scale horizontally and deploy large clusters within your VPCs and VNets that could be distributed across multiple availability zones. Secondly, Cloud Connector delivers a centralized forwarding policy for both internet and private payloads. To secure internet access for cloud and data center workloads, you can create a forwarding policy for Cloud Connector to send your internet traffic to ZIA Cloud, and instantly you can secure your internet access from your servers. To secure connectivity between your private workloads and servers, you can define a policy for servers in a VPC or in your data center or OT devices in your shop floors to communicate over Zscaler Private Access using the same Zero Trust platform that we use to connect users to applications securely. With Zscaler Private Service Edge, you can run the policy engine within your company's Zero Trust boundary and secure all the east-west communication. Third, Cloud Connector also delivers centralized monitoring and integrates with your existing logging infrastructure. You can see a centralized dashboard that captures the connectivity of workloads across multiple clouds, and logging is fully integrated with existing ZIA and ZPA services, and the connectivity logs could be sent to existing SIM infrastructure. When you combine the power of ZPA, Cloud Workload Protection, and Cloud Connector, you are essentially achieving microsegmentation at 3 levels. 1. User-to-app segmentation with ZPA. 2. Software-to-software and application-to-application segmentation with secure workload protection. And 3. East-west traffic server-to-server segmentation with Zscaler Cloud Connector. Thank you.